What if updating macOS, iOS, and Flutter applications was as easy and instantaneous as updating a web page? Introducing FastGooey, the first ever hosted, general-purpose hypermedia content management system that renders native user interfaces instead of web pages. Store your content in FastGooey, whether that's text, photos, or videos. Copy and paste the URL into your application, and our rendering libraries take over, building dynamic, interactive user interfaces for your Mac, your iPhone, and your Apple TV. This same server-driven user interface approach allows development teams at industry giants like Airbnb, Lyft, and Spotify to scale effortlessly. But with FastGooey, we've built the infrastructure for you. FastGooey was designed to be integrated into anything, whether you're building something new or breathing life into a legacy app. Automagic rendering, native performance, instant control. Stop waiting, start shipping with FastGooey.